Yo! Welcome back. You seriously need to see this best auto Wayfeng WF. It has been trending everywhere lately for a good reason. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it exceeds all expectations. They used high-grade, durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The smart technology inside makes it so efficient. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: inventory is very low. Grab the discount via the link below, and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching.